So okay guys, we have resolved the network issues. Now our Wi-Fi is back. So now let me just show you the menu part. This is the place where we have left last time, I guess. Okay, block sidebar. Okay, so this sidebar is having the search, this recent post, recent comments, all these options. Okay, so if you want, you can edit something new. I don't know what to add. Okay, whatever you want to add from this tab, you can add it. Whatever you don't want, you can just remove it. If suppose I don't want this meta tab, I will say remove, and it will be gone. Okay, so now it's gone. So basically this is how you can just do things. So you can just rearrange the menu the way you want, and once you are done making the changes, just say publish, and all those changes will be getting replicated over here. And next is the header widget. So basically this is our header part. Whatever changes that you want to make over here, you can just do that from this place. If suppose I want to add the search in the header, I will say search one. You can just give any name. So basically this is just a naming process, and now I'm having that search option present over here, but we have the search option present in the right sidebar, so we will just delete it. Okay, so this is just for your understanding that we can just make changes. You can even click on this pencil icon, and you can make changes to all these things. Okay, if you want to change this menu, then you can just click on this. You can just say edit menu, and you can edit the items over here to this menu present on our tab. And next what we have is header social icon. Okay, so next option we have these social icons. If you want to give the link of the Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, LinkedIn, whatever that is, you can just do that. I will say www.facebook.com, and aesthetic. Okay, so I'm just doing this for purpose of doing, so I will just give this link. You just give your proper link. Okay, I'm just doing this for tutorial purpose. Now if suppose I want to give the link of the Instagram and all, click to show this section. Let me just see how it looks. Okay, now that Facebook option is present over here, I'm getting this Facebook option. Then the Twitter, Google Plus, and LinkedIn is also present. I don't know what's the issue with this Instagram. Let me just see whether Instagram is coming or not. This is basically the Twitter section, but I'm giving the link of Instagram. Okay, the logo of Twitter will be shown, but link I have provided of Instagram. They have not provided a link for Instagram and all. I don't know for what reason, but you can give, but it will show the logo of Twitter, by the way. Okay, and next is a sidebar section. Sidebar is basically this one. So whatever you want to show at the sidebar, you can just okay, it's not a sidebar, it's a slide bar. Okay, so basically you must have already came across these slides on a website and all, then you must be knowing it. Okay, so this is the these are the slides what will be shown, and in the background we are having this image. Okay, so people must already came across this sliding options, and if you want, you can add the button and all. Okay, so you can give any text. Okay, so then you will get this button which says click me or click here, but as of now we won't be giving this because this actually don't look so good, because it is conflicting with our header. So I will do one thing, I will just uncheck this, and that slide option will be gone. And next what we have is 3-page box section. This actually won't look good, but let me just show you how this will be looking. I will select some random pages, and if I'm just showing this on my website, it will be showing you 3 columns. Okay, so this is that section, but as I have told you earlier also, this won't look good, and is actually not looking so good. So I will just uncheck this, and I will just go back, and this is the additional CSS which actually don't have anything. If you want to if you are aware of the CSS language, and if you want to write some code in CSS, then you can just write that code over here. Okay, so if you want to change the position of something, some colors, and give a little bit of more decoration, then you can do that from this place of by messing with the CSS. Okay, so this is the additional CSS part, and this is all about the customization, guys. This is how you can make the changes. Thanks for watching. This was all about customizations and how to change the look of your website. Thanks for watching.